Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to insert audio in PowerPoint. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you need to do to add audio into your file is to go to the insert option on the top left corner, insert option right over here. Then from here, you will see the audio option right over here. Just tap on the audio and now you will get two options. One is to record your own audio and one is to upload the audio from your PC. So I will go with the audio on my PC, and then you need to locate the audio from your PC, then insert it like this. All right, then you can simply go select this audio like this, and then what you can simply do, go to the audio format, and now you can edit the audio format from here. And also if you go to the playback, now if you just want to make it like hide during the show, like if you just select this, it will be hidden. This icon will be hidden when your slides will play. Okay, so if you just want to play it across the slides, like if you just want to go through a slide and it will play, then you can select this option and it will play when the slides will be on. After that, it will end the slide and open up a new slide again. So just selecting this option, you will get this. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.